Hey there, tech lovers! Welcome to Best Reviews, the ultimate place where smart living meets smart gadgets. Today we're unleashing the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025. Futuristic floor warriors that clean like pros while you kick back and relax. Whether you're battling pet hair, crumbs, or just tired of doing the dirty work yourself, these robotic champs are here to save your day and your back. So smash that like button, subscribe for more gadget greatness, and don't forget to check the description box below for links to these amazing cleaning sidekicks. Let's roll into a cleaner, smarter future, one vacuum at a time.
Coming in at number 5, the Eureka J15 Ultra is a feature-packed powerhouse. With an industry-leading 19,000 PPA suction, this robot vacuum doesn't just pick up dust. It deep cleans carpets, edges, and tight corners like a pro. Its unique flex-arm mop design reaches where most vacuums can't. And thanks to TUV Rhineland validation, it delivers an astounding 99.95% edge coverage with just a 0.006-inch margin. But it doesn't stop there. J15 Ultra's 8-in-1 base station automates everything from auto-emptying to hot water mop washing at 167 degrees Fahrenheit. And even hot air drying at 131 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping mold and mildew at bay. It's practically maintenance-free for up to 75 days. And let's not forget its Flexi Razor anti-hair tangling tech, which cuts tangled hair at 400 RPM to reduce wrap by 99%.
At number 4, meet the Eureka E20 Plus, a robot vacuum that pairs high-performance cleaning with budget-friendly convenience. Its bagless self-emptying station holds up to 45 days of dust, saving you up to $70 per year on replacement bags. It boasts 8,000 PA of upgraded suction, powerful enough to lift pet hair and dirt with ease. Add to that a 13-cone multi-cyclonic dust separation system, which filters out 98% of debris before it even touches the main filter, meaning longer-lasting performance. With AI 3D obstacle avoidance, dual LiDAR sensors, and night vision, the E20 Plus is built for smart, accurate navigation even in the dark. A strong choice for pet owners and night owls alike.
Number 3 is the tried and true iRobot Roomba 671020, a reliable option for those new to robot vacuums. It features a smart 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes to tackle everything from carpets to hard floors. With Wi-Fi connectivity, Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, and the iRobot Home app, you can schedule cleanings even when you're not home. Its adaptive navigation helps it glide under furniture and avoid obstacles with ease. And dirt detect sensors ensure high traffic zones get extra attention. It may not have hot water mopping or self-emptying, but for everyday cleaning, it delivers excellent bang for your buck. Taking the runner-up spot is the Shark AV2501AE, a powerhouse with some serious perks. Equipped with Matrix Clean navigation, this robot makes multiple passes over every spot for complete, thorough coverage. Its XL self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of debris, and true HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of allergens and dust, perfect for allergy sufferers and pet owners alike.
And finally, at number 1, we have the eufy L60, a compact yet mighty robot vacuum with hair detangling tech built right into the self-empty station. That's right, no more manually pulling pet hair from your vacuum roller. Its 5,000 pascal suction may not sound as high as others, but it's incredibly efficient. Combined with iPath LiDAR navigation and AI .map 2.0, this vacuum learns your home and cleans it smartly, room by room, even across multiple floors. With up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning, customizable no-go zones, and a 2.5-litre dust bag, the L60 is built for convenience. If you want a vacuum that just works, quietly and intelligently, this is the one to beat in 2025.